Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing something wise, cute and super magical. Yes, it's a mandala art owl. This owl does not say ho ho only. It says colors, calm and creativity. With just sketch colors, tiny patterns and lot of patience, we will turn simple shapes into a beautiful mandala owl. So relax your mind, hold your colors gently, and let's begin the peaceful and fun art journey together. Okay, guys, do you wanna hear cute story about the owl? This mandala owl lives in a quiet forest at night. It spreads color with its wings. People say when this owl appears, stress flies away and creativity wake up. Today we are drawing this owl to bring calm, focus and happiness into our sketchbook. Yes. So that's great. Okay, guys, our mandala art all is complete. Yes, it's going to be complete, but it's complete now. So colorful, calm, and full of tiny details. If you like this relaxing drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, peaceful, and creative art videos. Comment below, did this all make you feel calm and happy? And what should we draw next? Okay, mandala flower, butterfly, or peacock. Until then, keep drawing, keep coloring, and let your creativity fly high. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Re